This is Njambiz Tutorials, where we learn digital marketing, branding, and business tips and tricks. Subscribe for videos every week. Today, I want to show you how to convert your TikTok account into a TikTok business account. But before we get started, have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? If you haven't, hit that subscribe button and support the channel. It is absolutely free to subscribe and support the channel. Totally free to subscribe. However, if you're feeling generous, you can also drop a donation to my PayPal account. Details on your screen right now and in the description box below. Support a girl's channel or just subscribe for free. So let's get started. So to convert your TikTok account into a TikTok business account, first, of course, you need to open your TikTok app on your phone, then navigate to your profile. Then at the top right corner, the three bars, menu bars, just tap on that. Then go to manage account. Then at the second last one, you can see switch to business account. Just click on that. And as you can see, it's telling you some of the good, amazing features you'll get when you convert your account into a TikTok business account. You get to learn about your customers and get insights on video performance and engagement to help you create content and convert. Access to exclusive sounds. Elevate your TikTok videos with a library of royalty-free sounds. Get inspired. Get guidance and inspiration for your content in a business creative hub. That's for TikTok. Find out what's new. Leverage upcoming business features to grow your business in TikTok. And something else they also haven't told you here, I will add for you, is you'll be able to schedule your TikTok posts if you have a business account. I will do that video on how to schedule your TikTok posts in the next video. So subscribe and stay tuned for that. So I've clicked next, then I'll choose a category for my business. So for this one, I'll select other. Then go to next, and it's saying welcome to your business account, Simplified Wisdom. You can follow Simplified Wisdom on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube for quotes, daily quotes, a little dose of wisdom for your day. Check out Simplified Wisdom. So yeah, I've used Simplified Wisdom for this tutorial. You have more features to connect with your viewers on TikTok. You can also add a business website and email to your profile. That's another advantage of having the TikTok business account. So I can edit the profile and add those, or I can skip and just continue. So let's edit. So now it's giving me the ability to add my website and email, as you can see right there. So at the moment, I don't have a website for this business, so I'll just use my website. Save that. Then email. Okay, so I've added the email and the website. Let me show you what that looks like on your profile. As you can see, you have a link. You have your bio, then you have a link to the website and an email button. And if you tap the website link, it takes you to the website. If you tap the email button, it opens up a new email so that you can draft to that business. So this is good for your business, obviously, as you can see. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you want to find out or learn about TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google business profile, anything digital marketing. Just let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video informative, also let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't. Why haven't you? Subscribe for digital marketing videos every single week on this channel. Subscribe. It is absolutely free to subscribe. And like I said, however, if you're feeling generous, you can drop a donation to my PayPal. Details on your screen and in the description box below. Subscribe, support the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.